Hi everyone. Come to Remora TC to trade like a shark and not get eaten by one. Let's scroll together to protect and grow our money. This video is a monthly sector review. This one in particular is the utility sector. When we think of utilities, we think about water, electric, and gas, right? These are the main items that we need just for essential day-to-day living. Often when investors think of utilities as a sector, because it's something that everybody needs all the time, it's considered a defensive sector. A few of the companies that you might think about are Duke Energy and Southern Company. All right, here we have the monthly chart for the XLU. It's an ETF that tracks the utilities sector. This chart, as you can see, I've already annotated the chart so that we can save some time. Overall, from a monthly view, year over year over year, back to 2009 till now, it really is an upward trend. But we do see some big red candles. So let's zoom in to the weekly view to get a better look of how things are going. Here's 2021 down here. Okay, the year started off 2021 here to 2022 here. Okay, uptrend. You can see this kind of like this upward channel. Okay, so it's just channeling, ping-ponging up and down. Now, when we got to this year, it spiked up, hit an upward trend line that we didn't really know about until recently, until it was confirmed over here that it was a legitimate trend line. And there's plenty of selling. Okay, lots of selling. Now, just from a pure technical analysis standpoint, I kind of see this as a bear flag pattern. That's the flagpole. Okay, the flag continues to play out like this. I'm going to guess that it's going to pop up a little bit. Probably look like this, something like that. And we're going to clone. And this says, oh, we'll probably get down here to 54. All right, so that's just from a pure chart pattern standpoint. It puts us in the 55 range down here. Okay, let me remove these and we'll look at it from a momentum standpoint, see how things look. All right, so this is the weekly. Price has, let's see here. Okay, let's look at this reaction and then these and this reaction. Okay, this is a high in April and then a higher high in August. Okay, so price is going up. From a momentum standpoint, RSI says, oh, momentum is going down. Okay, and you can also see it here in the PPO. Great. So these two are two indicators that say, oh, price is likely to change direction soon. And sure enough, over the span of 1, 2, 3, 4, so about 3-4 weeks, the selling began. Okay, so for this utility sector, they sold down to the 60 mark here. So about 23%. Okay, that's a lot of selling for utilities. And now this is the rebound. I don't see any positive divergence here. There's no bullishness. Okay, price is just selling down, bouncing off of this lower trend line, and bear flagging out. From a PPO standpoint, I still don't see any bullishness. So to me, this action here is just, it's not a change in momentum. It's not like it's going to go to all-time highs. I don't see that. I see it flagging out, perhaps bouncing off of this, maybe up to this 70 range. Okay. Maybe they'll push it through this legit trend line here. Maybe they'll pop it up here, have it bounce off of there, and then the selling will continue. So from the perspective of my analysis, before I get into my, what is it that I'm telling all of you? Well, first I have to say I'm not a financial advisor. I don't play one on YouTube. I just love stocks and analyzing price action based on technical analysis. What is my assessment? What are the sharks and whales going to do? I feel they're going to resume the selling, pushing price down in about a week. So as we head into the Christmas season, I feel we will be down further. Okay, so maybe in 1 week's time, price will go up, hit this. So by Thanksgiving, hit this upper trend line here. And then in December, through the end of the year, maybe even into early January, I think it will have broken down underneath this trend line. So my guess is price will go up a little bit, hit that, bounce, do a little rally here, and continue further. Okay, it's possible. Who knows? The truth is, who knows? We'll have to play it by week, or by month. So we'll see. We'll reassess in a month. Let's see if in a month's time if it'll hit this low from October. All right. If you find this video useful for your investment and just learning of how price is working for the markets, if it's useful for you, please like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Let them know, hey, this guy has some interesting ideas from a technical analysis standpoint. Definitely share my content. Click the bell button so you're notified. Give me a comment. What do you think? Do you think utilities are going to sell down through the rest of this year? Thanks so much. Bye-bye.